Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to start a new topic 3.2 activity time. Let's play. So, here in this chapter, we will learn something or we will do one activity in a playway method. Okay, let's see what we have to do. Now, 3.2 activity time and let's play. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Children, in the last period we have learned how to arrange the words in alphabetical order. We will take a quick revision of that. Alphabetical order means the order in which we write the ABCD. That is called as the alphabetical order. Now here words are given and you can see the first letter of the word is underlined. Here in mother M is underlined, then hen H is underlined, G, P, D. So all the first letter of the word is underlined. So we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Now we will see. Okay. Now here words are given and blanks are given. So the first word is X. Now we will see what after A comes B. So we will search here whether there is a word with B. So can you see there are two words, boy and balloon. Both the words starts with B. So we will, according to the rule, we will see the next letter, that is O, and here in balloon it is A. So we will write, which word we will write first? Yes, we will write the word balloon, and after balloon we will write the word boy. It is balloon followed by a boy. Now after B, which letter comes? Yes, right, C. So we will find whether there is a word with C. Yes, there is a word with C, that is CLOCK, clock. So we will write the word clock. Now after C comes D. So do we have any word with D? Yes, DOG, dog. So we will write the word dog. After D comes E. So there is no word with E. So we will find the word with F. So do we have? Yes, we have the word with F, that is father. So we will write the word father, FATHER, father. After F comes G. So G for, yes, there is a word with G, that is garden. So we will write the word GARDEN, garden. After G comes H. Yes, there is a word with H, that is hen, HEN, hen. So we will write the word hen. After H, G, H, I. So there is no word with I, then J, then K. Yes, there is a word with K. Yes, KING, king. So we will write the word king. Now after K comes L. So there is no word with L. Then comes M. So yes, there is a word with M, that is mother. So we will write the word mother. Then comes M, N, no word with N, then no word with O. Then there is a word with P. Can you see here? Peacock. 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 So we will write the word peacock. Then comes PQ. Yes, there is a word with a Q, letter Q, that is queen. QUEEN, queen. So we will write the word queen. After Q comes R. So there is no word with R. Then comes S. S, yes, there is a word with S, that is school. SCHOOL, school. So we will write the word school. Then after S comes T. Yes, there is a word with T, that is temple. TEMPLE, temple. So we will write the word temple, and after T U is not there, V, W is not there, X, then Y is, words with Y is not there, then there is last word, letter is Z, that is zebra. So yes, there is a word with zebra, word with Z, that is zebra, ZEBRA, zebra. So we will write the word zebra. In this way we have arranged the given words in alphabetical order. Okay, now we will see the next page. Read aloud. Now there is a text is given, we have to read that. Okay, so keep your finger over there, we will read that. What is the topic? Sakshi's book. Sakshi found a big box. So Sakshi found a big box. She opened it. Opened means she opened it. There was a fairy and some paints in the box. So when she opened the box, what she find? She find there was a fairy. Fairy means pari, and some paints were there in the box. Hello Sakshi, shall we do some painting? Asked the fairy. So the fairy wished him. Sakshi, he wished him, or she greeted her saying, hello Sakshi, and she said, shall we do some painting? Can you see here question mark? This is a question. So after the completion of the sentence, it is a question. So question mark is put over there. So the fairy asked, shall we do some painting? Asked the fairy. So after the completion of the sentence, there is a full stop. See, the first letter is capital. She gave Sakshi a paintbrush. So the fairy gave a Sakshi a paintbrush. First, they painted with which color? Violet. Can you see? A violet color is there and a spelling is also given. So what is the spelling of violet? VIOLET, violet. So they painted with the violet color and indigo color. So first they painted with violet color, then indigo. Spelling of indigo, INDIGO, indigo. Then they painted with blue color, BLUE, blue, and green color, GREEN, green. So they painted with blue and green color. Then they painted with yellow, 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 orange, 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 and RED, red colors. So one by one they were using the color and they were painting something. Sakshi said, look at our rainbow. So what they have prepared? Both of them, Sakshi, she has prepared a beautiful rainbow. Will your parents like your rainbow? Asked the fairy. So when Sakshi completed the rainbow, she shown it to the fairy and fairy asked him that, will your parents like your rainbow? Again it is a question, so question mark is over there. Yes? She said yes. Said Sakshi, my parents will like our rainbow picture. So Sakshi replied, yes, my parents will like this. And will say, you have made a beautiful painting. And Sakshi said that her parents will say that she has made a beautiful painting. The fairy smiled and hugged Sakshi. Hug means gale lagana. So the fairy smiled and she hugged Sakshi. Sakshi said goodbye to the fairy. And now Sakshi waved her hand and she said goodbye to the fairy. So this is the text which we are supposed to read. Children, you also try to read this text. Okay. Now on the next page, that is on page number 36, there is a rainbow, picture of the rainbow, and you have to color this rainbow, and you have to follow the sequence of the rainbow. I have what is the sequence of the rainbow? At the bottom you have to start with violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The way Sakshi has started the colors. So colors are also given there. So you have to color it accordingly. Even I have sent you a picture of a colored picture of the rainbow. So you have to follow this color sequence to color this rainbow. Children, you have to color this rainbow in your book only. No need to draw it in the copy. You will color it here in the book itself. Now, there is exercise B exercise. Write the name of the colors of the rainbow. Here the first letter of each, there is a sequence of coloring the rainbow. That is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange. Can you see? So what is the question? Write the name of the colors of the rainbow. So the first color is violet. You will start from the bottom. Can you see? Once again I will show you. So from the bottom you have to start. You have to first color from the bottom, that is violet, then indigo, then blue, then green, yellow, orange and then red. So this is the sequence you have to follow. So that is the, can you see here? Vibgyor. Vibgyor, and the first letter of each color is taken. From violet, that is V, then indigo, I, B, blue, G, green, Y, yellow, O from orange and R for red. So this is the Vibgyor. So this is the sequence in which you can learn the sequence of you can remember the sequence of the rainbow colors. So what will you remember? Vibgyor. So you will, from each letter you can come to know which color, what is the sequence of the colors. Okay. Now question number C. Answer the following. The first question is, have you seen a rainbow? Children, there are some questions which are to be answered in yes or no. So in the question there is some way to write the answer. So here the question is, the first question is, have you seen a rainbow? So you all have seen a rainbow, yes or no? Yes. So we will write yes. Then after that we will put a comma. So question is asked to you. So when I am talking about myself, what will I write? Yes, I. The question starts with have, H-A-V-E, have. So I will write yes, I have. Okay. Now see the next question. Do you like to paint? Yes, we all like to paint. Yes or no? Yes. So we will write yes, put a comma, then I. The question starts with do. So you will write yes, I do, then put a full stop. Okay. Now third question is, what is your favorite color? So I have written white and blue. You can write your favorite color also. Okay. Name of your favorite color. Now question number D. Frame the sentences using the words given below. Children, here a word is given and you have to make a sentence, and in that sentence that word should be used. See, example is given. It is given here big. So the sentence is given, I saw a big blue balloon. Can you see big word is there? So you have to make a sentence using the word given over there. Okay. Now question, the second number is like. So I have written I like to eat ice cream. We all like to eat ice cream. Yes or no? Yes. You can make another sentence also using like. Then fairy. So I have written I had a dream about a pretty fairy. I had a dream means मुझे एक सपना दिखा था. I have seen a dream about a pretty fairy. So can you see a fairy? The word fairy is also used over there. So in this way we have to make sentence using the given words. Children, you will solve this exercise given on page number 36 in the book itself. No need to write it in the copy. So children, I hope you have understood how to do the things and you have to complete this work. Okay. See you in the next period. Till then, thank you and bye bye.